Your Excellency, I have the honor to present letters of credence which His Excellency the President of the Republic of Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the non-resident High Commissioner Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Kenya, the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you, sir.
Excellency. Thank you very much.
Please. Once again, Bula Vinara to each and every one of you, Your Excellency. I am pleased to receive your credentials.
Thank you.
I welcome you most warmly to the Republic of Fiji, and I wish you, sir, a happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Excellency the President, the government and the people of the Republic of Kenya our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Thank you, sir.